Hello students, we have begun studying reproduction in lower and higher animals. We are studying the reproduction in humans, in which the fertilization occurs into the fallopian tube. The part is called to be the ampulla. After fertilization, the egg is called to be the zygote. This zygote, it is moved towards the uterus slowly with the help of the hair present into the fallopian tube. This zygote becomes blastula. Blastula means what? It is a cyst-like appearance. It has the cyst-like appearance. It is hollow and multicellular. It floats in the uterus for 3 to 4 days. It cannot get attached or embedded in the uterine wall because presence of the zona pellucida, but later on it gets disintegrated due to the hormonal action. On 7th day, outer nutritive layer to the blastula is formed, called to be the trophoblast, which is nothing but the food layer. So nutrition from the uterus passes through the fallopian tube to the developing embryo. In the picture you can see the blastula. Cavity is called blastocylum or blastula. Number of cells you are finding or bunch, that is called the embryonal knob or animal pole. Then the sum of the cells which are getting attached to the trophoblast are called to be the cells of Robber. This is multiple. This is the CT medical examination question. Implantation. Blastocyst cannot get implanted into the endometrium of the uterus due to the presence of the zona pellucida, but it gets later on disintegrated due to some hormones. The process begins on 7th day after fertilization. Trophoblast is divided into 2 regions, sincere trophoblast and outer cytotrophoblast. Here you can see the actual process of implantation. The blastula is getting implanted into the uterine wall. Gastrulation. Formation of the 3 germ layers is called to be the gastrulation. Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Ectoderm forms the brain or nervous system or brain and spinal cord, nail and hairs. Endoderm, this endoderm forms the kidneys, heart, etc., and mesoderm, it will form the muscles, bones, kidneys, etc. This is the gastrula. This gastrula, it has 3 germ layers. Outermost ectoderm, I told you it will form the brain. Endoderm, this endoderm will form heart, and mesoderm will form bones and muscles. Gastrulation takes place after 8th day. Cells on pre-end of inner cell mass are called hypoblast. Hypoblast gets flattened, grow down to blastocele. This is the endoderm. In the picture you can see clearly ectoderm from outside, mesoderm and endoderm. Yolk sac. Endoderm grows in blastocylum and form yolk sac. Second layer differentiate into ectoderm. Cells of the epiblast means remaining cells of the inner cell mass divide and redivide to form amniotic cavity. The floor of the cavity of the embryonal disc, the pyramidal cells of the disc towards the amniotic cavity form embryonal ectoderm. The roof of the amniotic cavity called amnion. Amnion is extra amniotic membrane that protects the embryo. Gastrulation takes place after 15 days of fertilization. You can see this is the process. Mesoderm. Epiblast from primitive streak. It forms the primitive streak. This streak progresses from posterior to anterior end of embryo called mesoderm. It extends between ectoderm and endoderm. You can see in the picture. See here. This is yolk sac, endoderm, mesoderm and upper ectoderm. I shall again explain. Endoderm, some of the cells of the embryonal knob at the free end, they grow into the blastocylindrome and they form yolk sac. Yolk sac means what? They provide nutrition to the developing embryo. Then second layer differentiate into ectoderm. Some of the cell mass we shall call them to be the epiblast, cells of epiblast. Means some cells they form the endoderm, some of the cells they will form the ectoderm. Amniotic cavity means what? Where the excretory fluid of the embryo will remain. The pyramidal cells of towards the amniotic cavity form the embryonal ectoderm. The roof of the amniotic cavity form amnion. Amnion, chorion, these are the some of the layers. One extra embryonic membrane, that is extra embryonic means it is not part of the embryo called to be the extra embryonic mesoderm, is also formed in between the yolk sac and endoderm. Gastrulation takes place after 15 days of the fertilization. So in the examination the question might come, explain the process of gastrulation, explain the process of blastulation, explain the process of the cleavage up to the 16 cell stage, etc. So as this is the major lesson, you have to be careful about the answering. This is all embryology.